welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to walk you through step by step of how you can generate trending AI images like these ones, and how you can swap your face into the AI images. You can see this one here, you can also see this one here. So I'm also going to leave the prompt I use in the description of this video, so make sure you watch this video to the very end so you can learn how this was done for free. So this video is going to be in two parts. So the first part is going to be where we generate this AI image. So the second one is going to be where we swap the face, we add another face into the AI image. So what you are going to do here is just make sure you watch this video to the end. So now I'm going to open my browser. Here. So I'm going to use Chrome browser. So I've opened it here. We are going to type Microsoft Bing image creator. So you can see this here already because I have used it recently, so it has appeared here. So now I'm going to open it, allow it to load. So you are going to click on the first one here. So you click on it. So let's allow it to load. All right, so this is the interface of the Microsoft Bing AI image creator. So this is how it is. So in case you don't have an account with them, so this is what you do. In this place you are going to see join and create. So if you don't have an account, so you just have to click on join and create, then you create an account with them. Then after you create an account, you are going to have this here. So in this case here, I'm just going to put the prompt I use there. So I'm going to click here, I'm going to paste the prompt I use. So I'm also going to leave this prompt in the description of this video so you guys can also use it. So I'm going to paste the prompt again. So in this place I'm going to edit here. You can see here, you can see what the prompt is all about. So I hope you can see here, you can see it here. So now I'm going to click on this part now where I will add my name. All right, so I'm going to click here. So now I'm going to type in my name here. So I'm going to type in my name. So I will click on create here. So let's wait for it to come up. Let's wait for it to generate and come. So while we are still waiting, I think I need to pause this video for a while. All right, so no need. So it has generated these beautiful pictures for us. You can see the AI images here. You can see all these AI images here. You can see how beautiful it is. So now what I'm going to preview one so I can save the one I like. So I'll click on here. Alright guys, so it has generated these AI images for us. So I'm just going to preview this one. I hope you can see here. So I'm going to click here. You click here this part now to download this one here. So it has download here. So let me check the one we can use again. So let me check this one out. So let's wait. So let's wait. All right, so I think this one is also cool. I like this one also. So all right guys, so before I continue, before we move to the next part, so I would like you to use 1 second of your time to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Subscribing is free. So I actually take my time to do some researches to know how we can swap our face into any AI images like this. So make sure you subscribe to my channel to encourage me to do more, and make sure you like this video, and make sure you share this video if you have people that want to learn how this can be done with just a smartphone. Make sure you share this video to them. So all right, I believe you have subscribed to my channel. Thanks for doing that. So let's move to the second part. So we have downloaded two images here which we will be using. I think this is cool. Okay, so let me download this one. Okay, so now we are moving to the second part, which is where we swap our faces to the AI images. So now we move into, then open a new tab on your browser. So you type on this, then you search Remaker AI. So you can see it here. You can see it has already suggested. It has already popped up here. Then you type in Remaker AI. Then you open it. So you type on the first one here. You type on the first one here. Then you allow it to open. All right. So you allow it to open. So it has opened here. When it's open to this point now this is where you tap on face swap. You can see here, tap on face swap. So you, all right. So now this is what you do. You come over to here. This is where you upload the image we generate from the AI. The AI image we generate. This is where you upload. Then you click on it. Then you click on it. Then I think we should use this one here. This particular one here. All right. So now we come down here, you come down here, then you upload the image that you like to swap the face to, like the image that you like to swap the face to the, so you type in here, you upload. So let me come over to here. I'm going to use this image here. All right. So now so I'm going to use this image, this one here. All right, I'm going to use this one here. So what you just have to do, then you come over to here, you type on swap. So you wait for it to do the work and come. So this might take some few seconds here. So I believe you just have to wait for it to generate the first, to swap the first for us. So I'm just going to pause the video for now. As you can see now, the video, the AI has generated this image for us. You can see how beautiful it is. You can see it. You can see the image, how beautiful it is. So you can come up to here. You can come up here. Then you type in. You click on here to download. You click on this place to download here. Alright, you can see the image has downloaded into my phone. So even if you want to try with the one that has no class, alright, so you can also try with other with other image, like with other image with sunglass. So let's change this one and use this one here. So let's use this one here. So let's see what is going to bring. Then you come over to here, then you click on swap. Okay, let's wait for it. So while you are still waiting, it's going to take some few seconds here. So let's wait. All right, so it has generated this beautiful AI photo for us. You can see how beautiful it is. At least here you can see. You can click here to download here. You click here to download. All right, so both this one here, this one here, this one here. So you can see that at least we have 70% resemblance. So I hope you have learned something new from this video. So make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, make sure you share this video to people that you know that they will want to learn how to swap their faces into AI images. So I believe you have subscribed to my channel. Kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you get notification each time I drop new videos like this. So thanks for watching. If you want me to do more tutorials on this, on how you can to drop more prompt, if you want me to drop more prompt of how to use make sure you leave it in the comment section. So see you in my next video. Bye.